everyone, Lizzie here with the latest from Gazelle.ai. Due to popular demand from our users, we've added the option to not only save companies you've individually selected, but also save 100 and 500 companies at a time. So if, let's say, I'd like to save the top 500 companies under the 3-digit NAICS 424, as seen here, I just simply click on Save Companies, and rather than having the previous option of selected results, I can now select 100 or 500 results. I can save these companies to an existing folder, or I can create a new one. If I then go to the My Folders section, I can see my folder with all 500 companies right there. This new feature saves you a lot of clicking time. As always, if you have any questions, you can email me at lizzie@gazelle.ai. Happy gazelling, everyone!